Go.
Good morning, room service department. This is Andrea speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to order for my breakfast.
Okay, may I know your name and room number, ma'am?
I'm Julie Niverba from room 205.
Okay, for how many is your order, ma'am?
For one person only.
Okay, one person only. Can I take your order, ma'am?
I'd like to order bacon and fried egg and also coffee
Okay.
and bread.
Ma'am, would you like some fruits in your breakfast? We have dried mangoes, watermelon, apple, and banana.
I'll prepare dried mango.
Okay, dried mangoes. How would you like to settle your bill? Cash or room change?
I'll pay it in cash.
Okay, cash. May I know the amount of your cash, ma'am?
1,000 peso.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you for calling room service department. Your order will deliver at exactly 8 o'clock. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay na.